Walker-Leaweri taken away by Karifi. Now here comes Sullivan on the charge away to Morby. Josh Morby scores the opening try of the game.
Step.
Playing under a penalty advantage here. Now out it goes to Morgan. Away for Wes Herson. Slings it across to O'Moore. And the hooker scores. Yeah. Hurricanes get their second try. Morgan, nice pass here. Is Rayasi into a bit of space, lining it up. Now he throws the pass. Beautifully done. And Billy Proctor gets try number 3. Away for Karifi. Now Perenara for Sullivan. Now Morby. He's done it again, Josh Morby. Try number 2. Walker-Leaweri stretches up. Karifi away for Perenara. Sullivan. Now here's Morgan. Morgan swings it away. And Wes Herson runs it in easily. And the Hurricanes strike early in the second half. Now Morgan. Quick hands. Here is Rayasi. Tried to pop the pass. Did so to Lobsha. Very impressive debut for the young fella. And delivers the pass. And Wes Herson scores it. But all plaudits go to Tyler Lobsha. Slings it across for Herson at first receiver. Now Morgan gets thumped again. Now it's away for Rayasi. Rayasi, little bit of space, decides to go again and get. Roigard digs it out. Garden Basham, and quickly away it goes. And try number 2 tonight for Billy Proctor. So playing under a penalty advantage here is Nawai. Gets it away, and there he goes again, Ratavi. Of the scrum, now delivers to Roigard. Goes wide, lovely pass, and a hat-trick for Josh Morby. And the Hurricanes on fire. Now Roigard having a probing run, almost there. Snapped up by Sangster and Justin Sangster. And that will bring down the curtain on this game at Sky Stadium in Wellington, where the Hurricanes have banked all 5 points and winning by 67 points to 5.